Hey everyone, how you doing today? Well, it's Travel Around Susie and I have another video for you to check out. And this series I'm doing is if you're in van life and you need to stay put for a while, but don't want to keep trying to find a place in a city that is not very accustomed to van lifers, this may be an extra option, another option for you. And or if you just need to pop in for a night to recharge your house batteries and just spend the night and relax and head out on the road the next day. If you're passing through the state of Michigan, check these out. Welcome to Travel Around Susie. Today we are at Holland State Park. I wanted to take you on a little bit of a drive through and just tell you a little bit about Holland State Park. Stations and potable water and trash right here. It was established in 1926. It has 142 acres. And there is Lake Macatawa and Lake Michigan. So you have a pick of either lake that you would like to go visit. They do have a vast variety of sites. They have pull-throughs, very secluded ones. They have some that are right along, right next to the playground. There's a playground. There's two shower houses, shower/bathroom houses here. I know they have 20, 30, 50 hookup. I have not seen any sewer hookups. I'm trying to find the day use, and at the beginning of this road it said Park Pass required, so I thought this would be where the day use park is. So far it's been this really cool windy road with dirt trails for hiking. And there's like houses back in here. So it says private drive, do not enter. So it's a little confusing. And this says private property, do not enter. But this is really cool for hiking. They have, I'll show you up here, there's little dirt paths that you can walk. Now there's not a whole lot of parking back here. I went by one. There was like 2, maybe 3 3 parking spots. And it's very skinny road and it's 2-lane traffic. So right here is one of them signs. It says no bicycle. But you can see the path go. We found the day use, and it looks like extra camp. So we're gonna explore this. See, there's other campers down here. So let's go explore. Now this is Lake Michigan. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is about a mile walk from the actual campground, Holland State Campground. And that little red lighthouse was actually built in 1872. And then in 1880, it got a new oil lantern. And then in the 70s, the Coast Guard wanted to abandon it and not fix it up anymore. And the community got together and they reserved it and they restored it to the beautiful glory that it is. And that's what this sign says, but pause this and read it for yourself for more detail. The miles of beach and a beach cafe and shop with ice cream. And then this is back to where I was driving. I lost all my audio, so sorry if this sounds weird. But I just wanted to show you all these walking paths. Very nice for hiking through the woods. Love being up here. This is a map and it overshows where you can be walking and then where the private cottages and all the different private homes and the walking paths are for. The red ones are uneven paths, so be steady with your feet. And then the walk, you can actually, the blue is the street. And you can actually walk all the way from the campsite, from where I'm at right now, all the way down to the state park day use, which is the beach. It is a very nice path. Cement, even. There's a gift shop or a general store you can stop and have ice cream at. But all these paths back in here are really nice for observing Mother Nature, wildlife, all kinds of stuff. So if you get out here to Holland State Park, be sure to take advantage of the walking paths. You can see on this map, you can get this even at the front desk and walk through here. And we had a lot of rain over the weekend, so you can see where it washed out all the sand. And it's just trickling right down to the cement. And look at this view from the top. That is Lake Macatawa. Absolutely. I want to take you back down here and show you the different sunsets. Oh my goodness, the sunset. Just wait until the end of this video to see the sunset. But this is all Lake Michigan beach frontage. I love Lake Michigan. I grew up here in Lake Michigan, or in Michigan, so I'm a little biased, but